Good morning guys, and in front of me is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and let me show you how to apply night mode on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select display, and all you have to do now is to click on dark dim. So all you have to do is to use this toggle to turn it off and on. And if you want to schedule your dark dim, just tap on left side of the button and here click on schedule. So as you can see, you can apply either custom hours or you can apply some casual schedule, which is from sunset to sunrise. So if you wish to pick the second one, smoothly tap and then it will be active. But then if you wish to personalize your own hours, just tap on custom time and now personalize start time and end time. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.